For centuries, dill held a special place in traditional wellness practices, treasured as a gentle herb rich in valuable nutrients and natural plant compounds. It provides vitamins C, A, and B alongside antioxidants that help protect the body from everyday oxidative stress. Throughout history, dill has been associated with supporting digestive comfort, easing occasional bloating and cramps, promoting the body's natural defenses, and contributing to overall balance and vitality. Among the many traditional ways dill has been prepared are simple herbal recipes using its roots, seeds, and fresh leaves. These preparations combine dill with ingredients such as water, olive oil, lemon, garlic, and Greek yogurt to create natural blends that have been enjoyed as part of a healthy lifestyle. Before preparing any dill-based remedy, the herb should be carefully washed to remove dirt and impurities, preserving its fresh aroma and natural qualities. Dill roots, in particular, have been traditionally valued for their gentle cleansing and relaxing properties. They are believed to assist the body's natural fluid balance, reduce feelings of occasional puffiness, and support the normal function of the urinary system. Traditional herbal wisdom also associates dill roots with promoting relaxed blood vessels and healthy circulation, which may contribute to overall cardiovascular wellness. To prepare this classic dill root infusion, place the cleaned roots into 2 cups of gently boiling water. Allow the mixture to simmer for 5 minutes and then let it rest and steep for about 40 minutes to fully release its beneficial compounds. Dill seeds have also been cherished for generations as a valuable part of traditional herbal care. Their natural aromatic compounds are commonly associated with soothing the body, supporting daily comfort, and helping maintain strong, healthy bones as part of a balanced lifestyle. To prepare this nourishing infused oil, gently crush 2 tablespoons of dill seeds using a mortar or coffee grinder until their natural oils are released. Plee the crushed seeds into a clean glass jar and add half a cup of olive oil, stirring the mixture well so the ingredients combine completely. Store the container in a cool, dark place for 5 days, allowing the dill seeds to slowly infuse the oil with their distinctive aroma and traditional herbal qualities. Another refreshing way to enjoy dill is by blending its fresh leaves with the bright essence of lemon. Take a generous bunch of fresh dill and combine it with the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon, making sure the juice is strained before mixing. This traditional combination has long been appreciated for supporting healthy circulation, promoting a sense of relaxation, and helping the body maintain everyday comfort. The blend is traditionally consumed in small portions, with 1 tablespoon taken 3 times a day before meals. To preserve its freshness and natural properties, keep the preparation in a sealed glass container and store it in the refrigerator until ready for use. For an evening wellness recipe, fresh dill can be combined with a clove of garlic and a cup of creamy Greek yogurt to create a flavorful and nourishing blend. This traditional preparation is often included in a heart-friendly dietary routine and has been appreciated for its potential to support healthy blood vessels and maintain balanced circulation as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. After the dill root infusion has finished steeping, strain the liquid carefully and enjoy half a cup 3 times daily before meals. This time-honored herbal drink has traditionally been used to encourage relaxation, support a sense of calm, and promote comfortable breathing and healthy blood flow. The infused dill oil offers another traditional way to experience the herb's soothing qualities. When gently massaged onto areas of occasional discomfort, its warming and aromatic nature may help relax tight muscles, ease feelings of tension, and encourage comfortable local circulation, making it a calming addition to personal wellness rituals. Nature has provided countless simple ingredients that have been appreciated across generations, and dill remains one of these timeless herbal treasures. By incorporating traditional practices alongside a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, we can continue to value the natural ways people have supported their well-being for centuries.